Let's face it, AI is one of the most controversial ongoing inventions of this century. On one side, you have Elon Musk, Jordan Peterson, and the late great Stephen Hawking, who are genuinely concerned about artificial intelligence.
It could be terrible, and it could be great. It's not clear.
Right.
But one thing is for sure, we will not control it.
Then there's Google, which doesn't give a damn and spends a ton of resources on developing AI technologies. People in general too are scared of AI and what it is capable of, probably because of evil AI and time-traveling military robots which are being showed in movies.
Hasta la vista, baby.
But coming back to reality, what about businesses and companies? They are the initial users of large-scale AI because they perform such operations that require it. They are also very crucial for pushing this technology forward. But according to a Harvard study, only 7% of companies use AI regularly. Why? How do they view AI and what are their fears regarding it? After scouring through many articles and research, here is what the companies are saying. Number 1. What if AI makes a biased decision? Artificial intelligence acts based on the data and algorithms. We are the ones creating it and feeding it with biased data. AI is just refining that. This bias, when implemented on a large scale, can prove very damaging. For example, Amazon used AI for its hiring process. Over time, it was found that the program regularly chose male candidates. Why? Because the algorithm used 10 years of recruitment data during that period, and male candidates were widely selected during that time. So the AI program naturally avoided women's resumes. So you can see this bias is no minor issue. Now, you could say that humans are biased too, much more than AI systems. That's a great point. But here's the issue. And this leads us to the second fear that companies have. Correcting AI errors is much complex than human error. As AI becomes complicated, it's tough even for its creators to understand it and its decisions. This is called the black box of AI. And that means AI will make a decision. And if you ask, how did you come to that? It will say,
I don't know.
So it becomes hard to rectify or even explain errors or biases in the program because of this complexity. Coming to the third fear, AI has become a villain to the workforce, especially those who are not hired for specialized and knowledge-related skills. I mean, you can't blame them. No matter how many people try to sugarcoat it, that is a legitimate concern. And many studies indicate that AI could lead to massive unemployment because of increased automation. Well, because let's face it, they can do many jobs better than us. Conversely, AI can create jobs, but it should be carefully integrated into the workforce. But sadly, that creation won't be equally distributed, as one AI expert pointed out. It might be easy for data engineers, but hard for customer service executives at the same time. The other concern is that AI is too expensive. Whenever we think of businesses, we only picture the big guns like Apple, Microsoft, but millions of small and medium companies with limited capital provide excellent value to people. Now, do they have enough money and expertise to implement AI? When business behemoths start to use this gifted technology, their performance will naturally increase substantially. Will these small companies be able to keep up with them? That is a genuine fear. The argument against that is as AI use increases, its cost will come down, and the number of people with technical expertise will also rise. But will it be too late for some companies? Well, that's hard to tell. Now, there are many more real-world concerns. We just felt these four to be really significant. If you can think of anything, let us know in the comments. No matter how much we or businesses fear AI, it is going to lead the fourth industrial revolution. Although the transition is going to be really slow. Driverless cars, chatbots, and automated machinery are just the tip of the iceberg. But these anxieties and many more need to be addressed before the full-scale use of artificial intelligence. If you are interested in knowing how companies can implement AI despite these anxieties, Harvard has published a fantastic article that details a 3-step approach for successfully integrating it in the workplace. I will leave the link to that in the description for you to check it out. I hope you found this video interesting. If you did, make sure to hit the like and the subscribe button, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace.